Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a vlog today, aren't we, people? Yep. Yes, we are. We're gonna go to IKEA to get some stuff. And do you guys like my new hair? I mean, you've already seen it, but like,
it's matching with your jacket.
I know, right? I'm just icy. I look so very icy right now. Oh no!
See you now.
Oh no! Anywho, we're in the garage. Yes, I'm pretty sure. We're in the garage now, so I'm gonna go because the lighting's shite now. But yeah, we're gonna do some IKEA shopping. I don't know what we're gonna get yet. Michelle just wants to go to IKEA because they don't have IKEA in Albury.
What shops do you have?
So we just made a whole trip just to see what IKEA's got. What do you want to look at, Aiden? Do you want something in IKEA?
He just wants some food, I think.
Aiden's pretty much over it, you guys. He's been over it for a minute.
Christy Lowe from Sky News Weather. We are expecting to see a dry and mostly sunny.
What do we do every time we go to the shop first? What's the first thing? We get food first. Why? Because someone is always hungry.
Oh my god, I didn't eat lunch. Let's go look at that.
The level of concentration. Stalking her food. Stalking her prey. She's stalking her prey.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
The lighting is not that great, but
The height difference is too.
it's not. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to like sit it up like that, guys. But anyways, we're trying to find food, and Yasha wants to find food, but you know.
This is like the longest process.
Yeah.
It's so long. We'll go back to the first shop.
Yeah, probably, because they have to make the food. I don't want to have to wait for them to make it. Yeah, let's go back. I don't want to wait.
Let's go, guys.
Here's going.
Let's go.
Yeah, I know. It's like the third time we've been here in the month.
Like the whole display.
Yeah, just drop it into your house.
Would you buy a couch here?
Probably not.
Probably not.
No. Would you, Michelle?
Is that a no? A big no-no?
She's too famous now. I'm vlogging the vlogger. I'm making the documentary on your channel.
Can I please get all those fake pants?
Just walk up to the counter with all of them. No. Hello. Hello. Oh no. Oh no.
Do you want some?
Righto.
I like that room.
Which room?
The one in the red. That one.
The granny room.
Nappy?
Really bad poo.
That was good.
How you doing?
Michelle's just, you know, learning the ropes.
Going, I ain't never having kids.
Literally, I'm like, Aiden, stop putting Michelle off. We forgot wipes here
We forgot wipes.
and had to ask some lady for wipes.
Yeah.
How did we forget wipes? Daddy forgot wipes.
Did he?
I actually passed me the wipes.
And I did pass you the
You
wipes.
passed me the wipes.
Michelle?
I wasn't there, please.
You went there. You went there.
I was not paying attention. Please leave me alone. I do not want to be involved in any of this shakara way.
Aiden, I asked for wipes. Eh?
Okay, okay.
Alright, we're done.
We all good.
We're done. We're good now. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Are you done?
Cut? Cut?
Yeah. Yay!
Yeah.
We all happy again. Now let's get out of here, it stinks. Day 3. Stuck in IKEA.
Aiden, you're so over it. Can you hold it up? Max is busy taking pillows.
What are these?
Your pillows that you're after.
Oh yeah?
The European.
Yeah.
Or Sheridan. Or like this other one. They're actually so much better.
I know.
I'd rather spend like over $100 on these.
Not 14.
14.
Look at this.
I told you I like expensive stuff. An expensive taste, you know what I mean?
Expensive car.
I'm joking, it doesn't really matter. It's all what your preference is, to be honest. I just like something that lasts me a little bit longer.
I agree with you.
So, yeah. And I know I don't have to buy them like for a while.
There's someone else we have to convince.
Just need to convince her. Because she's very cheap.
I know, I need them too, but...
Do you reckon this colour or the
He's saying away. Away!
I like navy.
You know the ones with
Yeah.
Did you?
Oh, these ones. But I need them to be matching. This feels nice.
Tensions are rising.
Trying to fight for products.
This would have been nice.
That would have been nice.
Had a matching one.
Yeah.
I think everyone's got it.
We're like, last one's there. It's mine.
How you doing? How you feeling?
What's 190? Is that the whole thing? Should I get that one?
$6. Is it touch or? Does it have a thing on top?
So how much, was that a successful shop?
Aiden's losing his mind.
Michelle's losing her mind.
It was. It went up just getting like toilet nets and like some plates for Aiden. That's all we got. That's all we got.
And she got some storage stuff too.
Oh yeah, she got some storage.
That's why she's facing the other way. Who's driving home?
I'm driving home. It's not a fight. Mark was having a full argument with me in the lift with other people. Talking about, are we in this level? You and Michelle are the worst at directions. You guys are always lost, don't know where you're going, and yet you're in the lift trying to fight me. Like a diamond in the sky. Till you could take little star. How I wonder what you are. Yay! Hey, yeah, what I was just
Driving a new car?
Now you're gonna go have to buy me a Range Rover because it looks good on me.
There he is.
I almost like forgot
Aiden's so
what I was
loud.
doing. I'm just like, oh, give up.
Michelle, please feed your child.
He's eating.
He's finished.
Sorry?
It's like a dysfunctional family up in here. But doesn't this look good on me, guys? Like, doesn't this car look good on me? This range.
Tell me about it. Yeah.
Mark, where's my car?
Yeah.
Where's my car?
Did you?
But how was the IKEA trip, guys?
It was so tiring.
It was so tiring. Aiden was just fed up. I think he's just exhausted. And then on top of it, we didn't even get anything, did we? We got like a bunch of toilet mats. Like, did we come for toilet mats though? Not really.
I did. I came for the toilet mat.
We didn't really do nothing.
Oh,
Michelle, did you get what you wanted?
She said she's
Yeah, I
checking
did.
out.
I just wanted the storage stuff. And that was it.
There was like nothing else, hey?
Yeah, it was just really tiring just walking around, to be honest.
And there was so much people.
And by the time you got to where you wanted, it's
I thought there was a limit. I thought there was a limit to how many people you can let in.
Well,
no, shopping centers don't really.
well, they did. They were doing them like.
It seemed like it was packed.
It was packed.
Kmart, they were doing like.
Yeah, Kmart was doing it, I remember. But nah, the IKEA was packed, man. It was too much.
Then if you wanted to go in, you would be waiting for hours.
Yeah, it was too much.
I would have been just like, oh, I give up.
We were just like bumping into people everywhere, and Aiden was just screaming and just. You guys are just talking while I'm trying to just, you know, say goodbye.
We don't care.
Oh my god, the disrespect. the disrespect in this house.
We don't care.
Anywho, we're back home. I'm exhausted.
Back home.
We're back home.
Say.
After a tiring day at IKEA. So yeah, we're just gonna do bedtime now for Aiden. I don't know what you're doing behind me. Anyway, we're gonna put Aiden to bed now. It's been real, guys. It's been a busy day and I'm super tired. So I hope you guys have a lovely week. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.